What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano. ADA currently sitting at 47 cents, up about 3.16 on the day. We're seeing a market cap at 15.73 billion, 24-hour volume, 512 million. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we've been talking about the fact that we went through an A, B, C, D, E corrective triangle. And we've seen an impulsive wave 1, and now maybe looking at our corrective wave 2. We're potentially putting in a WXY correction. Remember that the wave 2 pullback usually retraces in between the 0.5 to 0.618, minimum target to 0.382. Currently, we have met the minimum target, but we can still easily push up to the 0.5 to 0.618. And still be putting in that wave 2 pullback. A wave 2 can actually retrace up to 99% of wave 1. But of course, if ADA, Cardano, were to come all the way up and break this E wave high, it would invalidate that structure. We did meet the technical target of this rising wedge, but we still have failed to break this wave 3 low, which is currently coming in at about 38 cents. So we're still potentially looking for that larger wave 5. And within that fifth wave are your sub waves, and we're looking at a potential corrective wave 4 where we come down wave 1, corrective wave 2, a wave 3, corrective wave 4, and we're still looking for that potential wave 5. So we were looking at this as our first impulsive wave within the wave 5, and now we're going through that corrective wave 2. The only way to invalidate that is to come up and break this E wave high, and then we'd have to do a little bit of a recount. But as of right now, it does look like we're still going through that corrective wave 2. We'll see if we can come up and break this high and break that resistance. Then, of course, just target the 0.5, the 0.618, which are currently coming in here in between about 47 to about 0.448 cents, as that is usually where a wave 2 retraces to. Now, if we pop over to our next chart here, which is on the 4 hour time frame, we have been watching this descending triangle as well as this potential head and shoulders pattern. As of right now, we did hold the support here of about 44 cents, and we have started to see a little bit of breakout, but a lot of work to do if we're going to see ADA come all the way up and break these highs and break out of this descending triangle back to as support and see that large breakout to the upside for ADA. As of right now, we have two bearish patterns. We have a descending triangle, but so far we only have one point of contact, so I wouldn't really consider that a very strong descending triangle here, but we do have that head and shoulders to watch here for Cardano. If you see us come down and lose about 44 cents, that's when I would expect you to come down and finally fill this wick here at about 39 cents. But just looking at Bitcoin here, we came all the way up for a retest of 19.8. Currently, we have been getting rejected here. We've printed a new 4 hour candle. We got rejected right by that level. So if we simply get rejected and come back down, that's a stronger sign that the bears are looking to push the price down from this level, which is the previous bull market high. As I mentioned in my Bitcoin video, I wouldn't flip bullish until we break through 19.8, hold it as support, and start to come up and break out of this symmetrical triangle pattern. And of course, I would take ADA along with it. But as of right now, we've come up and hit resistance once again at about 47 cents. So I am potentially looking at a WXY correction, and we'll quickly drop in a target box for that wave 2 pullback. We have already met the minimal target here, but we'll just drop in a little box from the 0.382 up to the 0.618. It can come all the way up to the 0.786. As I said, it can be up to a 99% retracement of your wave 1, but usually it's going to land in between the 0.5 and the 0.618. So we have a target area here in between about 46 to about 48 cents, 0.488. for a potential wave 2 pullback. If it does come up and break this high, then we could be looking at a large impulse to the upside. But as of right now, we have failed to break that wave 3 low and put in that final wave 5. In very rare cases, the wave 5 is more shallow than the wave 3, but ADA would have to come up and break these levels of resistance. Looks like we're seeing a little bit of push right now. Would have to come up and break these levels of resistance up here at about 52 cents for me to consider a 5-wave structure to the upside. Just my opinion, of course, not financial advice. Just watch this target area for the wave 2 in between about 46 to about 48 cents. For our friend Cardano. I think that's basically it for this one. If we can push up and break these highs here, then the level of resistance to watch is this descending trend line. Let me drop in a little price target, which is currently coming in here at about 51 cents, and also lines up with these levels of resistance here, and also lines up with this major level of resistance. You can see all the resistance in this area and strong support here as well. That would be a major level for Cardano to break, in my opinion. But it looks like we're seeing a little bit of push here. We're up 4% right now, seeing a little bit of push to the upside. Of course, it is a holiday in the US, so just be careful trading on a holiday, as price can easily be manipulated. That's basically it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and my exact entries, exits, and take profits in the $10 membership for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. And if you want to trade with me, $4,500 bonus over on Bybit. You can sign up through the links in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.